Hello everyone, welcome back to Progress in English. In today's video, we are going to take an English Proverbs quiz. Let's see what is a proverb. A proverb is a short and simple saying that gives us advice, teaches life lessons, and shares truths about life. Where do proverbs come from? They come from real life experiences and are passed down from one generation to another. For example, don't judge a book by its cover. This means don't judge people or things just by how they look. Look before you leap. This means to think carefully before making a decision. Now let's take the quiz. Question 1. Where there is dash, there is fire. Where there is smoke, there is fire. This means if there are signs of a problem, something serious is probably happening behind the scenes. Question 2. Don't judge a man by the dash he wears. The correct option is D. Clothes. Don't judge a man by the clothes he wears. This means don't judge people only by appearances or outward looks. Question 3. Great minds think dash. The correct option is C. Alike. Great minds think alike. This means that smart people often come up with the same clever ideas. Question 4. You scratch my back, I'll scratch dash. The correct option is A. Yours. You scratch my back, I'll scratch yours. This means if you help me, I'll return the favor and help you. Question 5. Haste makes dash. The correct option is B. Waste. Haste makes waste. This means acting too quickly can cause mistakes and loss. Question 6. Jack is as good as his dash. The correct option is D. Master. Jack is as good as his master. This means ordinary people can be just as capable as their leaders. Question 7. A hungry man is an dash man. The correct option is C. Angry. A hungry man is an angry man. This means that hunger makes people upset, impatient, and restless. Question 8. Money dash. The correct option is A. Talks. Money talks. This means money has great power, influence, and control. Question 9. What you dash is what you reap. The correct option is B. Sow. What you sow is what you reap. This means you get results in life based on your actions and efforts. Question 10. Don't run before you can dash. The correct option is D. Walk. Don't run before you can walk. This means don't try advanced things before learning the basics properly. Question 11. A man is known by the dash he keeps. The correct option is C. Company. This means that people are judged by the friends and groups they belong to. Question 12. Walls have dash. The correct option is A. Ears. Walls have ears. This means to be careful with words, someone may secretly be listening. Question 13. Give them an inch and they'll take a dash. The correct option is B. Mile. Give them an inch and they'll take a mile. This means if you give too much freedom, people will take unfair advantage. Question 14. All is well that dash well. All is well that ends well. This means if the outcome is good, the past troubles don't matter much. Question 15. Fortune favors the dash. The correct option is C. Brave. Fortune favors the brave. This means courageous, brave people often succeed in life. Question 16. Time heals all dash. The correct option is A. Wounds. Time heals all wounds. This means emotional pain and sadness get better with time. Question 17. Revenge is a dish best served dash. The correct option is B. Cold. Revenge is a dish best served cold. This means Revenge is more effective and satisfying if taken after some time. Question 18. Cowards die many times before their dash. The correct option is D. Deaths. Cowards die many times before their deaths. This means cowards suffer again and again from fear before the real event. Question 19. A fool and his money are soon dash. The correct option is C. Parted. A fool and his money are soon parted. This means careless people quickly lose their money and wealth. Question 20. Don't throw the baby out with the dash. The correct option is A. Bath water. Don't throw the baby out with the bath water. This means don't lose something important while removing the bad or useless. That's it for today's video. I hope that you learned something new. I'll see you next time. Bye.